ERPZEN, your first space for mastering Oracle Fusion Finance. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most practical topics, common support issues in general ledger now. Whether you are an implementation consultant or a support analyst or just starting your journey, these insights will help you troubleshoot faster and work smarter. Let's simplify the complexities together. Now, the first issue is performance issues with posting code killed the program, and this has resulted in some of the journals stuck in selected for posting status raised an SR with Oracle to get a data fix to change the status to unposted status. And the possible solution for this is running off gathered schema statistics and program optimization, and the issue got resolved. Next, journals got stuck in process status and approver did not receive any notification to approve it. No root cause identified so far. This is an intermediate issue. And the workaround is through workflow administrator responsibility, our system admin team rewind the workflow to start status and ran workflow background process, and after that concerned approver received the received approval notification. Translation program errored out. After analysis, we realized that there are no balances for any of the accounts in that ledger, as that being a new ledger. No fix. Once we started entering journals, issue got resolved. Historical rates are not being honored by translation program for some of the account code combinations. Raised Oracle SR, no resolution. WebADI issues. Description for certain general lines is not getting imported. For those general lines, line description is getting imported as journal import. Raised Oracle SR and no resolution so far, as this being an intermediate issue. Unbalanced generals got pushed into GL interface. After analysis, we found that the user did not click on validate journal checkbox while uploading the into WebADI. Not a system issue, it's a user training issue. User says no journals got imported even he has uploaded journals via WebADI. After analysis, we found that user did not click any automatically submit journal import checkbox while uploading them into the WebADI. Not a system issue, it's a user training issue. Only some of the journal lines are uploaded and not all the lines. After analysis, we found that user did not click on all rows and the default section was flagged rules, and only few of the lines of the journal were flagged, and hence the lines which are not flagged are not uploaded. Not a system issue, it's a user training issue. WebADI template not honoring old GL data. Oracle patch resolved the issue. Unable to upload WebADI template. New user who did not update Excel settings. Updated of Excel settings, and the issue got resolved. Program automatic reversal. User says program automatic reversal program not triggering after opening of the period. It was working fine up to last month. After analysis, we found that the profile option value for GL launch auto reverse after open period was changed to no, and hence the issue. Change the profile option value for GL launch auto reverse after open period to S. Generals are not automatically getting posted in secondary ledger. After analysis, we found that the option post automatically generals from source ledger was set to no under primary to secondary ledger mapping of the ledger set. And the possible solution is set post automatically generals from source ledger to yes, and this resolved the issue. Revaluation journals are not being pushed from primary ledger to secondary ledger. After analysis, we found that the option transfer journals to single ledger was set to no from general source of revaluation and general category of either of the ledger set. Set this to yes, and this resolved the issue. Consolidation journals duplicated. Some of the generals are not consolidated as consolidation transfer program got errored out due to some database issues. After analysis, we found out that there, while running manual consolidation, user made a mistake of selecting all consolidation batches instead of instead of just instead of just consolidation batches, and this has resulted in duplicate batches. And the possible solution is reverse the duplicated consolidated general batches. Unable to delete a FSG report row set. Raised Oracle SR and Datafix deleted the row set from backend tables. Unable to edit the heading for FSG report column sets if there are more than 20 columns. Workaround is click on create heading, copy the heading to textpad or notepad, edit in notepad, and then copy and paste the same thing in create heading. Mass allocation generals are not generated. After analysis and after digging into the formula used in mass allocation template, we found that user used start journals in the formula and not start journals were entered for the period, and hence system did not create the required mass allocation journals. After creating of start journals, user reran the mass allocation generation process and that generated the required mass allocation journals. Some of the users are not able to update some revaluation templates. After analysis, we found that because of the definition access rule set, user was not able to update reveal templates. Definition access set modified and that resolved the issue. GL period closure program completed a warning. After analysis, we found that the AGIS period is not closed for certain transaction types. And the possible solution is close AGIS period for all the transaction types. That wraps us our walkthrough of common support issues in general ledger module. I hope this session gives you a clarity and practical tips to handle challenges with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments. I would like to hear how you tackle GL issues. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Thank you very much.